Hi, I am Roxana from WpResidence and in this video I will show how to import the Los Angeles demo. On this domain I just installed the theme and the included plugins, but before importing the demo the theme needs to be activated. Here you need to add your license key. I added my license key. Press check license. My theme is now activated. We have the option to add icons for features and amenities. For those icons to be imported along with the demo, the SVG support plugin needs to be installed and set up. I have it here already installed. You need to restrict it to admin. I will start the import process. This is the Los Angeles demo. I will click Import Demo, Continue and Import. The import process should take a few minutes. The demo is complete. You can click Visit Site. Now I need to make some manual adjustments for the demo to be exactly as the official one. First, you will need to import the Revolution slider from Theme Pack. I have the Theme Pack here. I will unzip. And in Demo Content folder, you will find many demo elements. This is the folder for the Revolution sliders. The slider needs to be uploaded from admin. Slider Revolution. Manual import, demo content folder, Revolution slider, Los Angeles slider. On refresh, you will see the slider applying. Since I had the SVG plugin installed, these icons were uploaded as well. In this section, you will need to edit the page and edit the categories that will show here and upload images to each category. I will show how this can be done. First, I will edit the page, which is the home page. The page was created with Elementor plugin, so you need to use this plugin to edit it. Here you will have categories from demo, but you can change them as per your wish. Here you can see that there are missing categories. I will add random ones. I will update the page. And now I will upload images for the categories that I used in this shortcut. Categories can be found in Admin, Properties. I used Apartments, so I will start adding the image for Apartments. Edit the category, press Upload Image button. I will select an image from my device. Insert into Post and Update. I will do the same for London, which is a city. The same process. Select an image from my device. Insert into Post and Update. The same steps will need to be done for each category used in the shortcode. Now in home page, the images uploaded will show after refresh. The same steps will need to be applied for this section as well. For this map to load correctly, you will need to choose a map system from admin. If Google Maps is selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added from your Google account. If not, you can use OpenStreet. The next step is to set permalinks. You need to go to Settings, Permalinks, and set permalinks to post name. The demo is now complete. You can start adding your own content. I hope that this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on the new videos.